At first make a slip knot. Then make chain 31. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Here I have made 31 chains. Now make more 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now skip 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Make 1 double crochet in the 6th chain from the hook. Now skip 2 chains and make 1 double crochet. Make 3 chain. 1, 2 and 3. Make 1 double crochet in same chain. So this is the V stitch. Again skip 2 chain and make 1 double crochet. Make 3 chain. 1, 2 and 3. Make 1 double crochet in same. Skip 2 chain and make 1 double crochet. Make 3 chain. Make 1 double crochet in same. So this is V stitch. So continue up to end. Now in the last, make 3 chain. 1, 2 and 3. Turn the work. Make this 3 chain count as 1 double crochet. Now make 5 double crochet in this chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here is 6 double crochet. Make single crochet in this gap. Make 6 double crochet in this 3 chain gap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Make single crochet in this gap. Now make 8 double crochet in next 3 chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Make single crochet in this gap. So make 8 double crochet in each V stitches. Just leave this last 2 V stitch. Do not work in this last 2 V stitch. So make 8 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Make single crochet in this gap. So continue. Now in the last, make 10 double crochet in this 2 V stitch, last 2 V stitch. So make 10 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make single crochet in this gap and make 10 double crochet in this last V stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Give a knot, pull the yarn long. Now cut it. Now fold the petal like this to make the rose. Do not make it very tight. Just make it normally. Now turn the work and stitch all the petals together like this. Two. So this is the rose. Thanks for watching.